Alright, so the reason why you click on this video is obviously you have some issues, alright, with your Android devices. Alright, it's either you have like Google FRP lock, or there's a screen lock that you are unable to remove it either on your old device or on the new devices. Alright, but well, you are in luck today, because today what I'm going to show you this software right here. Alright, so this is the iPhone LockWiper for Android. Alright, so what this does is basically it can remove Google FRP lock, unlock any passcode lock on any Android devices. So right now I'm going to show you the software itself, what it can do, and probably a few clips of demonstration on how this software works as well. Without further ado, let me just show you the software itself. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so you guys can see this is the software itself, and it looks very simple. Alright, because it is designated for anyone without any technical knowledge to do this. Alright, so the UI is very simple, as you can see, very straightforward. If you are stuck with the Google lock, you can always select this option, or if you want to remove screen lock, passcode lock, or any lock, or pattern lock, you can use this option. To remove screen lock, just select this option over here, and this will have a more wide range amount of option over here. But if you're not listed here, you can select the more, and then it will show you other options available. Alright, so but here these are all like ready to download packages, but which most people will be using Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo. All these basic common brands are all here, so you don't have to worry about if your brand doesn't show up, unless it's just some brand that doesn't exist. Okay, so yeah, you can probably you can go with Xiaomi as well. Alright, but I have Samsung, so I'll just use Samsung. Okay, so you can select device brand is selected. Okay, so there is a few different unlock solution that you can use. Okay, so this is clear device data. This is recommended. Alright, but if you don't want, you can keep device data, but it's only supported on certain devices. And I'm very lucky that some of my old devices, it is part of the supported devices, so some of my data will not be erased. Alright, but then sometimes if it doesn't work, but if you want to use this as a spare phone, you can always unlock it using clear device data, and you'll clear all the data, remove all the pin, passcode, or fingerprint lock, and you can good to go, or use it as your second device, or pass it down to your kids or your grandparents and such. Okay, so yeah, there's one click remove. They only say only support Android 12, so you just select which one that you think it is recommended. Then you just click on start, and then you just have to plug in your device, alright, to the USB cable. It will detect your phone, your model, all this and that, and it will start downloading the firmware, all those things, alright, to unlock it. So yeah, just follow the process alright, and once it's done, your phone will be unlocked and you can use it. So it is a very simple and straightforward process. You don't need to do a lot of settings or manual adjustment to it. Just plug, let it do its own job, and you are good to go. So it is that simple using this software itself. So yeah, so this is the software that I can trust my security with, because as long as I've been using it for multiple devices, I don't find into any issues or any security issues. Alright, and the Windows doesn't detect any virus or anything. So this is a very completely safe to use software. I've been using it for a long time without any issues. Works right out of the box, and it basically just works. Alright, some other software, although it works, but sometimes you run into some bugs and issues. But with this one, the developers are up to date, so they will ensure that most devices or in fact all devices can be removed with FRP or screen locked. So with the Google lock, you can just click on it. You can select your Android devices. If it doesn't show here you can click on more. So it supports a wide range of devices. If you have Xiaomi, they have some preset one which you can really download instantly. Alright, but yeah, most people for me, I have a Samsung, so I just click on Samsung. Alright, so you can see there's a standard mode, alright, and there is an advanced mode. Alright, so yeah, I would highly recommend you guys to go with the standard mode. Alright, it's because it supports most Samsung devices. But if there's some issues with your Samsung devices, you can always try the advanced mode. Alright, so yeah, so you can just select which version is your Android devices, like all Android version, Android, if you know specifically what Android version it is running on your phone before it is being locked. Alright, so if you don't know, you can just click on Android version, or you just don't know, you can click on this. They'll show you a helpline, alright, FAQ, but you can just select all. Just click on start. Okay, make sure you have all these, click on confirm, and You just need to follow the on-screen instruction, connect your phone, this and that, alright, and just let the software do its job, and after a few minutes you are good to go and you have a brand new phone. Alright, basically an unlocked phone that you can start using or pass it down to someone else who needs it. So it is that very, very simple and easy to use. So it is a very, very awesome tool that I'm recommending to you guys if you want to look for a reliable and trustable software to remove your phone. Alright, to remove all these locks on your phone, this is the software that I recommend, which is the iPhone LockWiper. Alright, so yeah. So once again, if you want to check out this software itself, I'll link the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. Alright, and definitely purchase the full one for yourself. But if you want, you guys can download it for free. Just play around the software. If you think it's really, really good, just buy now and start unlocking the phone, which is very, very worth it. Okay, you get two functions. Remember this, you get two functions. So if your main function is just to use it to remove the FRP lock, or in the future you might need to remove the passcode lock, all this on your other phones, you have that features as well. So they not only include like one specific features, like probably you purchase that feature, they give you that feature, they give you another additional feature, which is really, really awesome. Most other software that I see, if you purchase for that feature only, they give you that feature, and you want another feature, you have to pay the extra price. But with this, they give you all in one package. So next time if you need for another feature, you can use it as well, right? And you can just open up the software and start unlocking. So yeah, this is a very easy to use, simple, anyone can do it, right? Just follow the on-screen instruction, just let the software do its job, and bam, you are good to go with your new phone. Alright, so you can start using it right after that. So yeah, this is the software that I'm recommending you guys, and this will definitely solve any problem you're facing right now with screen lock, passcode lock, fingerprint lock, or Google FRP lock. So once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and once again, I'll link this software in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. So without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you find this helpful, do comment down below, and without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.